Hi guys, today we are going to bake pancake. It's quite common, but we are going to use kind of different recipe and technique. Hope you guys are going to try it out and you're going to like it. So let's go cook. You take your bowl and you put quarter glass of sugar and quarter glass of cooking oil and 3 spoon of custard powder and 1 spoon of baking powder and 1 canned milk or a half glass of milk. You mix it thoroughly. Add 3 glasses of water. Mix thoroughly and add flour bit by bit as you mix so that it won't be too much of it or less. You mix it thoroughly to form a smooth paste. You keep mixing, and here we got our paste. Now we are going to heat our pan. After heating, we grease with cooking oil and put in our paste. You turn on the other side once it turns brown so that it won't get burned, and you keep doing the same until you finish. And put at a medium heat for better results. You don't want it to be too black, just needs to be goldish, and that's it. Now you can either use any kind of preference. You use cheese, honey, jam. Just spread it and roll it, and you're gonna enjoy it with tea or juice, any kind of beverage of your choice. Yes, so you guys, I hope you're going to try it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.